Hello there and welcome to my summer garden. My name's David Hurrian and I'd like you to get involved in the Lewis-Manning Hospice Care Loving Your Garden campaign, which is all about sharing a love of plants and gardens however you choose to garden and whatever the size of your plot. Gardening for me has been an important constant since I was a child. I have wonderful memories of my aunts and uncles who were all keen gardeners and who encouraged my passion for plants. Back then I wasn't aware of the calmness and sense of peace that comes from nurturing seeds and growing plants, but it's something that I realise now has helped me cope with so many things that have happened throughout my life, not least the loss of those family members who were so dear to me. But being able to remember them now through the plants we grew together and the practical techniques they showed me is a great comfort. And I've also realised the importance of the sense of escape which gardening brings me. Losing myself in watering and weeding, pruning and planting helps my mind rest and stops me thinking about the stresses of modern day life. There's so much evidence today that simply being surrounded by the colour green and the natural world is good for us. We are, after all, part of it. But surely the most important thing that gardening gives us is the ability to connect and share with others, something that gives great comfort right up until the end of our lives. There are plenty more ways in which you can benefit from gardens and gardening too, all of which we'll share with you through the Loving Your Garden campaign as it unfolds through the summer. In the meantime, to find out more and for your chance to win some amazing inspirational garden prizes, then head over to lewis-manning.org.uk and enter the summer prize draw. Tickets cost just £2 and every penny raised will go to help people in your local community.